worry, buddy. Next year we're gonna get you a real bike.
Wow, Katie's come so far on the bike. She's doing so good.
Pedal.
Let's get to the path.
There you go. Yourself. Oh, look, there's another dog. I didn't even see him.
Aww.
Make it? Are you gonna make it?
Katie. Wow, look at her go. Look at her go. What a big girl. Oh, watch out. It's tiring riding a bike, isn't it?
Oh, you gonna do a wheelie? Nice.
You guys ready? Oh, don't push. That's his helmet. You ready?
Ready, steady, go.
Come on.
I know how to bike. I don't even need training wheels.
Come on, sweetie.
Good job, Austin.
Is that your little purse?
Yeah, let me get her started.
Hold on.
Yeah, you know what? Daddy will put his shirt in your...
Go, Katie, go. Go, Austin, go.
Doing so much better with
I know.
steering and everything.
Stay on the path, Katie. Look up.
Push hard. Push. Watch out. Don't move. Don't move out. You do not know how to do the brakes yet. Good job, buddy. Wow. Can I see that wheelie again? Do the wheelie. Whoa.
Yeah, hold on. Go, 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 Austin. Go, go, go. Austin. Austin. I know, he's around the corner. Look, say cheese. Cheese. No. Focused. No. You say no, Austin? No. Okay. No? Okay, well, watch where you're going. There he is. You got it? Okay, let's go. Oh, let's go this way, honey. Come on. Wow, do a wheelie. Can you do a wheelie? Whoa, be careful. Come on, sweetie. Where'd it go?